Your gut health isn't just about digestion, it impacts energy, immunity, mood, and even weight management. After 40, changes in metabolism, hormone balance, and gut microbiota make it even more critical to care for your digestive system. Ignoring gut health can lead to bloating, irregularity, inflammation, and long-term chronic issues. Today, we're breaking down 8 common gut mistakes that can harm your health and what to do instead. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to our channel for weekly health tips designed to keep you feeling your best, especially after 40. Don't miss out on advice that could transform your wellness. 1. Skipping fiber-rich foods. Fiber is your gut's best friend. It fuels beneficial bacteria, helps regulate bowel movements, and keeps inflammation in check. After 40, low fiber intake can lead to constipation and gut imbalances, as digestive motility naturally slows with age. Many people focus on low-carb diets for weight loss but neglect soluble and insoluble fibers found in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Soluble fiber helps feed healthy bacteria, while insoluble fiber adds bulk for regularity. A simple fix: aim to include a serving of leafy greens, beans, or berries with every meal. Even a fiber supplement like psyllium husk can help if you struggle to get enough through food. Gradually increase fiber intake to avoid bloating or discomfort. 2. Overconsuming sugar and processed foods. Excess sugar and processed snacks feed harmful bacteria and yeast, tipping the microbial balance in your gut. This imbalance can cause bloating, gas, and inflammation, which becomes more pronounced after 40. Sugar spikes insulin, promotes fat storage, and increases systemic inflammation, all of which harm digestive health. Processed foods often lack nutrients that support your microbiome, like prebiotics, vitamins, and minerals. Swap out sugary drinks, pastries, and packaged snacks for natural alternatives like fruit, nuts, and yogurt. Check labels for added sugars, and try to reduce ultra-processed foods gradually to prevent cravings. Over time, your gut bacteria will shift to a healthier balance, and digestion will improve. 3. Ignoring probiotics and fermented foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a balanced gut environment. After 40, natural bacterial diversity declines, making supplementation or fermented foods essential. Ignoring probiotics can lead to bloating, irregular bowel movements, and a weakened immune system. Include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, or miso. If your diet doesn't provide enough, a high-quality probiotic supplement can support digestive health. The key is consistency. Daily intake helps maintain the right balance of bacteria, reducing inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. Consider rotating probiotic strains to target different areas of the gut for maximum benefit. 4. Drinking too little water. Proper hydration is essential for gut health, playing a critical role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and the elimination of toxins. When water intake is insufficient, bowel movements can slow, leading to constipation, a problem that tends to become more pronounced after 40 due to age-related changes in the digestive system. Many adults underestimate their daily water needs, often drinking far less than required for optimal gut function. To support healthy digestion, aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, increasing intake if you exercise, spend time outdoors, or live in a hot climate. Combining water with a high-fiber diet ensures smoother digestion, reduces bloating, and helps maintain regular bowel movements. Limit dehydrating drinks like sugary sodas or excessive caffeine. If plain water feels boring, infuse it with flavors like lemon, cucumber, or fresh herbs. Making hydration enjoyable helps you maintain a consistent routine and supports long-term gut health and overall well-being. 5. Eating too fast or not chewing properly. Digestive health begins in the mouth, and the way you eat can have a major impact on your gut. Eating too quickly or failing to chew food thoroughly forces the stomach to work harder to break down larger food pieces. This can lead to bloating, indigestion, and suboptimal nutrient absorption. After 40, enzyme production naturally declines, making thorough chewing even more essential for proper digestion and nutrient uptake. To support your gut, take 20 to 30 minutes for each meal and focus on savoring every bite. Avoid distractions such as phones, TV, or computers, which encourage mindless eating and overconsumption. Mindful eating not only improves digestion but also helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevents overeating. A simple yet effective strategy is to put your utensils down between bites, forcing a slower, more intentional pace. Over time, these habits promote healthier digestion, reduce discomfort, and enhance overall nutrient absorption, supporting long-term gut wellness. 6. Excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol has a significant impact on the digestive system, particularly on the gut lining and microbiome balance. Regular drinking, even in moderate amounts, can irritate the stomach, inflame the digestive tract, and disrupt the delicate balance of gut bacteria. This can lead to reduced nutrient absorption, bloating, acid reflux, and discomfort. After age 40, these effects are magnified because the liver's ability to metabolize alcohol declines, and the gut becomes more sensitive to irritants. To protect gut health, it's important to limit alcohol intake and balance consumption with water or herbal teas. When you do drink, opt for lighter choices like red wine or low-alcohol beverages, and keep serving small. Avoid binge drinking, which can severely damage the gut lining. By moderating alcohol and supporting hydration, you reduce inflammation, maintain microbiome health, improve digestion, and preserve energy levels for daily activities. Small, consistent choices make a lasting difference for gut and overall health. 7. Chronic stress. Stress has a powerful impact on gut health more than many people realize. The gut and brain are closely connected through the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication system. When stress levels are high, this connection can disrupt normal digestive function, altering gut motility, increasing inflammation, and exacerbating conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. After 40, the gut becomes more sensitive to stress, and chronic tension can accelerate age-related digestive changes, including slower digestion, bloating, and discomfort. Managing stress is therefore crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or even a short walk after meals can help calm the nervous system and promote better digestive function. Additionally, prioritizing quality sleep allows the gut lining to repair and supports a balanced microbiome. Incorporating stress-reducing habits into your daily routine isn't just about feeling relaxed. It directly benefits digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut health. Regular practice over time can significantly improve both physical and mental well-being. 8. Overuse of medications. Many medications, including NSAIDs, antibiotics, and acid blockers, negatively affect gut flora and lining. While sometimes necessary, overuse can lead to dysbiosis, inflammation, and poor nutrient absorption. After 40, be particularly mindful. Talk to your doctor about alternatives, probiotics, or dietary adjustments to support gut health during medication use. Avoid self-medicating with frequent painkillers or unnecessary antibiotics. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maintain a healthy gut, improve energy, and reduce inflammation. Start small. Swap sugary snacks for fiber-rich options, take a daily probiotic, and prioritize hydration and mindful eating. If you're ready to take control of your health, hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on weekly tips to protect your gut, boost energy, and feel younger after 40. Your gut after 40 requires attention, but small, consistent changes have a major impact. Focus on fiber, probiotics, hydration, mindful eating, moderate alcohol, stress management, and cautious medication use. Avoiding these common mistakes can improve digestion, immunity, and overall wellness. Begin implementing one habit at a time, track your progress, and notice the difference in energy, mood, and vitality. Your gut health is your foundation. Treat it with care, and it will serve you for years to come.